الكاس حبيت يا ناس حبيت واللي يحب يا ناس يا ناس يا ناس يدوب في الحب There's nothing more to say, just the feeling of music. It's all we can express what we feel inside. Oh my dear Ginger, oh my dear Ginger, keep playing the bass, let me feel your sound. ليلي يا تيري يا تيري يا تيري شو بتعمل يا تيري my dear friend right here
Kake.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give it up for Mr. Kaki. Kaki, 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 Kaki.
This is perfect. Oh my gosh. Please go to the studio, all four of you.
Can you hear me? Come on, say do something with your guitar.
Yay! Every class is fucking shit.
I need some strength right here. Oh yeah, you, but why don't you come on stage and do something right here with your guitar?
No, I want to take all four of them.
Freddie, please come here.
Go, Freddie, go!
I'm sorry, please, I wanna hear you sing, I wanna hear you play something, oh yeah, Freddie, play something,
Oh,
something like the way I sing, with the flow.
record that fucking shit.